Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine at your home. I'm your English teacher from SD Public School. Welcome to your English language class. Students, today we will do tenses. Here is the definition of tense. Tense indicates the time of action or an event. Today we will do two types of tenses. First, simple present tense, and second, present continuous tense. First, we will discuss about simple present tense. Present tense talks about action that is happening. The rule is subject plus first form of verb plus s or es. Students, if the subject is plural like you, we, they, then we use only first form of verb like read, cook, walk. And students, if the subject is singular like he, she, it or any name like Riya, Mohit, Sia, then we use first form of verb plus s or es. For example, reads, cooks, walks. Now students, we use a verb in simple present tense to show actions that happen regularly, for general statements, for universal truth and for instructions. Now we will understand simple present tense through these examples. First example is they eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. Students, in this sentence there is every evening. Means it is showing that it happens regularly. It is a routine work. Okay, and you have to keep in mind about the subject. What is the subject? Here is subject they. They is plural subject. So we use here only first form of verb. They, here we use they eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. Second is the earth moves around the sun. It is universal truth. So here we use moves and the subject is singular. The earth moves around the sun. Next is my mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. This is also a routine work. Here is every Sunday. It is showing that it is a routine work. And the subject is singular. So here we use goes. My mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. Students, now we will discuss about present continuous tense. The present continuous tense tells us about actions that are going on continuing at the time of speaking. For example, Amit is swimming, Mita and Rita are watching television, I am reading a book. The word is, are and am are helping verbs. They combine with the ing form of the main verb to form the present continuous tense. Is, am, are plus ing form of the main verb. So students, the main verb plus ing never comes alone. It comes with helping verb. Means is, am, are. Now we will understand present continuous tense through this example. First example is Monica is looking at a burger stall. Students, here Monica is singular subject, so we use here is. Monica is looking at a burger stall. Second, he is helping an old lady cross the road. Here is singular subject, he is singular subject. So here we use is helping. He is helping an old lady cross the road. Now students, open your English grammar book. Open page number 50. Here is the exercise related to simple present tense. Now we will do this exercise. Let us start it. Mrs. Jha is a teacher. She dash in a Pune public school. Her option is teach, and we will see the subject she. She is a singular subject, so we use here we use teaches. They are taxi drivers. They dash taxis all over the town. Here subject is plural, so here we use drive, not s or es. Adam is a baker. He dash birthday cakes with great skill. Subject is singular, so here we use bakes. We dash basketball every day. We is plural subject, so here we use play. This is my cat. It drinks milk every morning. Students, here is subject it. It is a singular subject, so here we use drinks. The sun dash in the west. The sun sets in the west. This is also a universal truth. Seventh sentences, dogs dash to gnaw on bones. Here we use like because dogs is a plural subject. Sunny dash his brother in the garden every evening. Sunny is a singular subject, so here we use helps. Now students, we will do the practice of exercise related to present continuous tense. First sentence is the children dash themselves on swings in the park. Here option is enjoy. The children is plural subject, so we use here we use are. The children are enjoying themselves on the swings in the park. Charu dash her hair. Charu is a singular subject, so here we use is coming. We must rush now as it dash late. With it we use is. It is getting late. The doctor dash the patient. Here option is examine, and the doctor is singular subject, so here we use is examining. Fifth sentence, all the students dash hard for the exams. Students is a plural subject, so here we use are working. Tushar's mother dash lunch and Tushar dash her. Tushar's mother is cooking and Tushar is helping her. Because Tushar's mother is a singular subject, so here we use is cooking. Seventh sentence, a cat dash hide behind the curtain. A cat is a singular subject, so here we use is hiding. The naughty child dash on the wall. Child is a singular subject, so here we use is. The naughty child is writing on the wall. So students, I hope simple present tense and present continuous tenses are clear to you. Do more practice related to these tenses at your home. We will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye.